Welcome to Advik Software. In this video, we explore third-party Office 365 backup solution. Download and install the Advik Office 365 backup tool. The download link is available in the description. How to use this Office 365 backup tool. Launch the tool and sign in using your Office 365 email credentials. Select the mailbox folders you want to back up. Now choose the format to export your Office 365 emails. Set the destination path and click the backup button. That's it. Your Office 365 emails are successfully saved in the selected format. Advanced features of the tool. The tool backs up Office 365 emails and contacts. It also offers over 30 saving options. Also, it supports to back up multiple accounts in bulk and works on all latest Windows systems. Thank you for watching. For more solutions, visit Advik Software. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.